Next we have is a critical reasoning question, but this question, the given text talks about Mr. Richard W. Matt, who was a convicted murderer, who while in jail spent his time painting skilled portraits of Julia Roberts, President Obama and fellow inmates' relatives and bartering them for preferential treatment. The passage also says that this news is not surprising to a lot of people who have spent years teaching art in prisons or making it themselves as inmates, and they believe that this trade is a part of incarcerated life. Now the question asks us which of the following can be best inferred from this passage. Let's look at option A. Option A says, irrespective of the fact that Mr. Matt had no education in arts, he proved himself to be a skilled painter. Although the passage says that he had little art experience, we don't know about his education, hence option A cannot be inferred. Option B states, it is not usual for people to expect inmates with a violent past to have a creative side. We don't know whether people believe that inmates with violent past can have a creative side or not. What we know for sure is that people are surprised that this kind of a system of barter of a skilled art form happens in the prisons. Option C says people who have no interaction with prison life have misconceptions about it. This can be true, as the paragraph talks about that this news of Mr. Matt being able to make portraits and barter it has come a surprise to many, but people who are familiar with the incarcerated life know that this kind of a trade is a part of the prison life. Hence, people who have no interaction with prison life have certain misconceptions about it. Option D says life in prison is different from life outside it. This is too general and is out of scope for the paragraph. Correct answer to this question will become option C.